welcome back to Between the Keys. I'm going to play Big Poppa and then a few other of Biggie's hits. The top three, Hypnotize. Might do one video at a time actually, so let's do Big Poppa first. The chords are F major 9 to E flat 9 really, or you could call it F diminished or A flat diminished. I think it goes down to the E. To A minor 9, down to G minor 9, and then G, C, dominant 7 with a 4. Kind of the same chord, but just over C. And those are your chords. They're very nice chords. And then you get to go electric piano and go. I love it when you call me Big Poppa. I love it when you call me Big Poppa. Throw your hands in the air if you's a true player. I love it when you call me Big Poppa. Throw your hands in the air if you's a true player. For all the ladies in the place with style and grace, lyrical cushions in the bushes. Don't know the words, but I'll make 'em up, yeah. Don't be afraid to try out different chords. As you can see, sometimes I'll just play the standard E7. Sometimes I'll play the flat 9. Sometimes I'll play the sharp 9, because that also works. Sometimes I'll play A minor 9, sometimes I'll play A minor 7. Sometimes I'll play G minor 9, sometimes I'll play G minor 7. Sometimes I'll play G minor 9 like this. That's a nice sound. Same with the A. Sometimes I'll play it like this. Sometimes C7 with a 4 and a 9. Sometimes standard C7. And no one owns a chord progression, so you could take that chord progression from singing tune. You could take that chord progression your own spin on it. Let's make them all major chords. F, A, nice, G, F, E, A, down to G. Now they're all dominant. Anyway, you can have a lot of fun with that chord progression. Lots of different ways. Next up, hypnotize. Hypnotize is just and ooh, E minor 7, and then the other one I was going to do, I forget the name, but it's his next most famous song. Let's check it out.